Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith if you're new. So this video is going to be about how I created my flower wall. All of the items that I used came from Five Below and Dollar Tree. This was very inexpensive to make. It was just time consuming. So if you want to know how I assembled my flower wall, just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
So these are just the supplies I use. I use the flowers from Dollar Tree and then the hot glue gun. And then poster board where you can get it anywhere. But I got mine from Dollar Tree.
Okay, so I already have tape. I taped two boards. I already taped two boards together. And these are all the flowers that I put on already, just so I have them scattered. I see what they look like. That's what I have. Obviously, this is gonna get covered, but that's what I have. So I'm just taking these, the flowers, and then I'm cutting that. And then I'm taking the hot glue gun, gluing it, and then just sticking it on anywhere. So here I just placed it on my wall with the command strips, and I put up the light, the one I mentioned that I got from Five Below. It's just a mini light. I put it and I scattered it all across the roses, so I'm just trying to align it to make it how I like it, if that makes sense. So this is a finished product. So this is what it looks like with the lights off, which is usually how it's gonna look. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll talk to you next time.